And then this is Sam Rennie here with L&M Custom Builders. This is the remote blower unit that we installed for the upstairs kitchen. We cut back the siding and then installed trim around it just like you would a window. There's a piece of head flash on there and a 10-inch duct that goes through the wall. That's the actual blower unit itself. And I'll show you where we core drilled downstairs. Then that's where we core drilled for the remote blower unit for the downstairs canning kitchen. That hole right there is for the power feed, and then that itself is for the duct. They're a Wolf product. This will be the same remote blower unit that we have installed on the second floor wall that I just showed you.